Today we're making calamansi muffins. Let's start off with our dry ingredients. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of hot cake mix. So I'm using the Maya brand, but you can use other brands as well. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So get yourself a mixing bowl, dump in the dry ingredients. And make sure you mix everything well. Then you can set that aside. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. So I have here 20 pieces of calamansi. So just slice them in the middle. Okay, next, get a measuring cup and a strainer, and we'll be needing 1/4 cup of calamansi juice. So squeeze them. Okay, that's 1/4 of a cup. Then we need to add another 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, about that much. Then let's set that aside. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, I put in half a cup of unsalted butter. Then add 3/4 a cup of white sugar. Then get a wire whisk and cream them together. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after creaming for 5 minutes, you'll end up with a fluffy mix because you've introduced a bit of air in it. Next step is get yourself 2 eggs. Add them to the mix. And then combine. You can stop if you can no longer see any of the yolk or the egg whites. Next step, get a spatula. Add in your milk and calamansi mix. Stir, mix it in. Okay, and add in your dry ingredients. Mix it in, but don't overmix. Okay, as soon as you can no longer see any more traces of the dry ingredients, then you're good. Next, get a muffin tray and brush some oil to make sure that the muffins don't stick. So I'm using olive oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like. Next, put in the mixture. So don't fill them up all the way. just to about 3/4. Okay, so I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Celsius. Bake these for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, they should come out like this. Sides are a bit toasted. Next step is to let this rest for about 30 minutes. So I got them out of the muffin pan, and this is how they look. They're a bit toasted on the sides and at the bottom. So let's open one up. So that's how you like it. It's a bit moist in the middle and it's fluffy. Let's taste. So you can still taste a lot of that calamansi flavor. Really good. You can also make these with lemon. And we're done for the day.